this first. So I've already put CC cream on my face. I washed my face. I kind of prep my face for this, so I hope this is kind of good enough to go with the flow. So I'm going to try, first foremost, I'm going to actually do my cheekbones because I want to see how well this will work. So I'm going to come down from here and kind of make a line and see if I can get a kind of defined line here, which I will have to darken up a little bit later on. And like I said, my skin is pretty pale already, so I will just keep it at my regular skin color and see how it turns out. I've never done this before. And this is actually my first attempt at this makeup look. And I never realized how hard it was to do makeup when I look at my phone. So kind of bear with me for that. I might see, actually I'm gonna keep with this color for now until I can get a kind of definite look. So I'm just gonna stick with this for now because I want that line to kind of flow, and you can see my face is already gonna be pretty red there. So I guess I could say this is more of a glam look than the full-on look, but I'm definitely not a pro at these makeup looks at all. So I started to use this eyeshadow base that I put on my eyes, so I make it kind of a better shadow. But I think I'm going to try and use the Scotch tape and tape it here because I don't want to go past a certain line for that. So I will keep that as is. And I will go my darker color than usual and see how it works. Now I think I'm just gonna go with the regular black on here and make it completely black. And I have let the base set for a few hours just so it doesn't automatically come off. I kind of have sort of the perfect Now I've seen many kind of different versions of this look, so we'll see how this one kind of goes. And I think I'm going to keep it in the way I have it. Because regardless, I'm going to be very specific when I do this. I use brown for my eyebrows, but I don't know if I will do full on black or not. I haven't really decided yet. It kind of depends how this turns out for me. So we will see how well this goes. So now I'm gonna take change the color a little bit. I'm gonna go okay, so I decided to keep kind of this part, but what I might do for a little bit of effect, I'm gonna give a little bit of highlight in here. Because I always find the highlights make it more three-dimensional. I'm just taking color and highlighting the outer part of my nose. I don't really, it doesn't really have to be perfect. I just want to highlight my nose. So it kind of made a little pop effect, I guess you could say. So I could burn my hair is terribly greasy, but I will work on it. Anyways, it's okay. A person's hair is not perfect, but I have the perfect length. My hair is an absolute disaster. But there you go. My kind of take on Frankenfurter from the Rocky Horror Picture Show. I hope you like this video. I plan on to do maybe another 1 or 2 makeup videos before Halloween. and hopefully they actually turn out pretty decent, because this one's turned out pretty good. I didn't really expect it, but it did turn out pretty good. So yeah, look forward to other videos. Don't forget my Tip Tuesday, and I need to get back on my Throwback Thursday. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will link all the products that I used down below, which will direct you to my Like to Know app. So I'll make sure to put all those products in my app so you can shop all these makeup products